Good evening dear viewers, James Braithwaite here, and you find me just as I'm cleaning up a second-hand bike that I've bought. Not for me. No, I've already got one thing pink, and that's my Cadillac. This is for a special friend of mine. I hope she likes it. I have been told that it's pretty much a kid's bike or something like that, but of course that's why saddles can be adjusted. This is a proper heritage bike, kind of a bit like a rally shopper or sort of nurse's bike back in the 50s. Sort of thing you might have seen Miranda Hart on, but that's kind of a funny coincidence, really. Just get this nice and clean. I only paid £5 for this, so and it's perfectly rideable. A good friend of mine put the new chain I picked up for us on, so it's pretty much rip-roaring ready to go. Just have to sort the corrosion out on the handlebars, and I can always, I think the headset is adjustable, so I can raise the handlebars if I need to, make it a bit more comfortable to ride. The reason I chose this one is because, of course, it's got a rack, basket, a kickstand, and of course it's got a cute little bell. Perfect. So it might look a bit campy, but I think it's shaping up to be quite alright. I might even end up finding scrap bikes in skips and fixing them up. Who knows? I mean, this, apart from the slight rust on the nuts and the handlebars, is pretty much as good as new. The tyres are still fantastic, holding air perfectly. Brake blocks are excellent. The paintwork, though slightly chipped, is very nice as well. Corrosion inside the basket. And it's got a very comfortable saddle as well, so that will be perfect for the person I'm doing this up for. I normally use buffer or something like that to get it back to its original thing, but I seem to be almost crap out of that, so I'm using the nasty white spirit. Oh, sorry, excuse me. If this turns out to be the wrong size for the lady I've saved this for, then I can just sell this one, I suppose. All the other bikes available today were just all those, you know, those horrid bendy frame mountain bikes that just go like an accordion all the time, regardless of whether you want them to or not. So this was the more solid one. And it does feel rather nicely made. Dollop. Okay. See how we do. No breeze. He's bombarded with lines. If you bleed your dry more times than your revenue does. Chain guard. Got a good snapshot rack this. Come on, beautifully. Let's go cap nice and tight because that is nasty stuff. Kickstand up. Brakes are perfect. Stop it dead. Pedals with a bit of steel wool or something, which I don't have access to right now. Right. Okay, dear viewers, let me show you what I've got. We're all in the pink. One petite ladies shopper touring bike. If it turns out to be too small, I can probably adjust the headset for the handlebars, and of course the saddles raise and lower. No less precarious than a Brompton or any of those other small wheel bikes, those dreadful skate scooters, for example, either. So, right. I hope she likes this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Whoops.